Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to export Gemini answers to Google Docs. So to do this, you just need to go to Google Gemini, open it, start a new conversation with it, or go to the conversation that you want to export. For example, I want to export this one, and just you need to go at the bottom of the conversation and click on the three dots, and after that click on export to docs. And as you can see now, it says new document created. If you want to open this document, just click on open and it will open this document for you. And of course, this document is stored on your Google Drive, the Google Drive with the same email that you are using in Google Gemini. For example, as you can see here, the Google Gemini exported the result to the Google Drive and I can see it in my phone like this. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.